Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So Shib, man, Shib, God, good grief, man. I like this coin so much. Can you guys like this video already? And even more than that, just come to Discord. I want you to come to Discord. I don't care. I want you to, give me a heart. So I'm just gonna do this very, very quickly. Here you go. Hey, YouTube audience, give me a heart, okay? I don't care. Give me a heart. So I'm just gonna give myself a heart. I don't know. Click on the top right of the video, come on Discord, or go to the description of the video, click on and enter. Okay, all you just do is a tap and give me a heart. I mean, not for my sake, okay, for this. Look at this, look at that, man. Oh man, this is so good. Okay, volume. So now that you're looking at the volume, the smart money has stepped in. Okay, so what is a smart money? It means that big institutional traders are buying Shiba Inu. And we have been looking at Dogecoin that has been pumping. If I show you Doge, look at Doge, okay? Pretty much the same thing. It almost like when they bought SHIB, they bought Doge. And I have been saying this for so many ages that maybe, just maybe, after Dogecoin, SHIB is the next Doge. And you may see that when Doge pumped, the candles of SHIB and the candles in the volume of Doge, they all pretty much match one another. Okay, so it seems like if Doge is the king of meme coins, then SHIB is the prince of meme coins. And any other single people out there like Bonk and Pepe and Floki and Kishu and whatever, they are probably just the sibling of SHIB. Maybe that's how I can put out this meme coin family thing. Do you think it makes sense what I just said? Come and give me a heart here. Okay, now let's get back to what is about to happen next. SHIB on the daily has a 3 white soldiers. So one candle, second candle, third candle, and that's the reason why we're continuing. And this is another candle. Still, the 3 white soldiers are continuing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, just right over there, which means that we are good to consolidate and continue to go to the upside. Now that Pepe is pumping and probably going back to the all-time high and even to create a new all-time high, can SHIB do the same? Now SHIB has a little bit of resistance that still needs to be broken above. I'm just going to be honest with you. So this is the last resistance, but I have a good feeling. My guts feeling say that finally it's time to break. Everything is broken up. SHIB is the only thing that's left behind. It doesn't really make any sense for SHIB to get rejected and go to the downside. How is the weekly volume also looking like? We don't see any good volume just yet, but we could actually see a push, break above here, and do something similar to what we saw with this candle, that candle. These are known as godly candle or something like that. I don't know. That's what they say. Now, thing is, I really hope that we see SHIB one more time to go all the way back to the all-time high. Now, I do expect, at least in the medium time frame, that we see SHIB based on the fibs to go from the top to the bottom and at least come to 0.618, which is 56,000, 5,639. I kind of believe that with what Bitcoin has done, with how Bitcoin is moved, it would be perfect to see SHIB coming up to 0.618. And that's pretty much it for the video. And I'm going to see you with the next one. I love this.